should be able to see that. The tab is there, right? So here I am entering the price. Let's say there is a field called tax also. Okay. So let's say tax is 10% of the price. After entering the price, again I need to enter tax. So what I'll do, I will not make tax as a currency field. I will rather make it as a formula field. Okay. So if you make tax as a formula field, that will be automatically calculated based on the formula that you put. So let's go and do that. Go to setup, create objects. And then click on product. Click on new field. Field type will be formula here. Click on next. Field label, whatever you want, tax. Okay, after calculation of formula, what should it return? After calculation, it should return currency, right? Tax again will be currency. So the field type is formula, but return type here is currency. Okay. Do you want any decimal places? No. So I'm just creating a new field. Just that I have put the type as formula field, and I'll have the option of putting a formula here. So 10% of price, right? So the reference field you'll have to insert here. Price is the reference field into 0.1. This will make 10% of price. You have the option of doing a syntax check. In case there is any syntax error, it will show it there. If it does not show any syntax error, I think you are good to save it. So it says no syntax error means your formula is correct. Okay. So take the reference field from here. Usually you should select advanced formula. That will give you the option of taking all the reference fields. Put your formula here. Tax equals what? Tax equals price into 0.1. All the functions are listed here. Those functions should be, taken from here. In case you want to use any of the functions, anyone who has worked on Microsoft Excel functions would know this. There are all types of functions available here. Mathematical functions, max, min, square root, logical functions, if else kind of functions, if or these kind of functions, and we have text functions also, left, right, substitute, all these things. So most of the functions from Microsoft Excel are available here. You can put those functions, but the formula that I needed at this point of time was pretty simple. For this, I do not need any function, right? So 10% of price into 0.1. Click on next and save this. So there's another field called tax that I have added. Now let's go to product and try to enter a record here. Let's say the price is $300. The tax field is not available here. You don't see the tax field here. The reason is that's a read-only field. The value will be automatically populated there. You don't have to enter any value for it. Save it. So you just entered price, but you'll see that the tax also got calculated and it's there. The moment you save it, you will see the price field as well as tax field. So how much is price? 10% of that comes up as the tax based on the formula. Simple. Let's say this was a very simple formula. In case you want to use, now your business has a different logic. It says if price greater than 100, tax equals 20%. Fine. And if price is less than 100, should be 10%. Right? So if they do not have a same tax calculation tool for all the prices, in case they have a logic there again, for price more than 100 tax should be different, and for price less than 100 tax percentage should be different. So that also we can do it. For that, what we need to do, we just need to go back to that same field, edit that, go to the tax field, edit it, and we just have to make changes in the formula. If condition we have to put. So if